Have you ever pondered why we make New Year's resolutions? Why does this tradition persist? Well, the practice of making resolutions for the new year dates back thousands of years to the ancient Babylonians. They made promises to their gods at the start of each year, resolving to pay debts and return borrowed items. Fast forward to the present day, this tradition has evolved, but the essence remains the same. Every year as the calendar flips, we find ourselves contemplating the past and envisioning the future. It's a time of reflection and anticipation. A new year symbolizes a fresh start, a clean slate, and the opportunity to make positive changes. It's a chance to set goals, aspire for growth, and commit to personal and professional development. Resolutions, in essence, are a testament to our inherent desire for growth and improvement. They remind us that no matter where we are in life, there's always room for betterment. As we step into 2024, how about prioritizing personal health and wellness? Let's start with the physical. Regular exercise, whether it's a morning jog, an hour at the gym, or a quick high-intensity workout, can do wonders for your body and mind. But don't forget about the fuel you're putting into your body. A balanced diet, rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients, is just as important as that regular physical activity. Now, let's talk about mental well-being. It's crucial to remember that our minds need rest too. Prioritize getting enough sleep each night. This not only replenishes your physical energy, but also helps your brain process the events of the day, reducing stress and improving overall mental health. Strive for a harmony between your physical health and mental wellness. It's a balance that requires effort, but the payoff is immeasurable. Remember, health is the real wealth. Have you ever thought about the thrill and satisfaction that comes with learning something new? Imagine the sense of achievement you'll feel when you've mastered a new language, played a tune on a musical instrument, or even scored a goal in a sport you've never tried before. Acquiring a new skill is not just about the end result, it's about the journey. It's about pushing your boundaries, stepping out of your comfort zone, and challenging yourself. It's about discovering new facets of your own personality. It's about the resilience, patience, and perseverance you build along the way. So, for the coming year, let's resolve to learn something new. Something that stretches us, excites us, and enriches us. Let's embrace the thrill that comes with being a beginner, the joy of progress, and the satisfaction of mastery. As they say, you're never too old to learn. In the hustle and bustle of life, have you ever stopped to simply breathe and be present? Mindfulness, a concept that may seem elusive, is actually rooted in simplicity. It's about bringing our attention to the present moment, observing our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose sight of the here and now. But by practicing mindfulness, we can reclaim our focus and develop a greater sense of balance and peace. Imagine starting each day with a few moments of quiet reflection, focusing on your breath, and setting a positive intention for the day ahead. Picture the calm that can wash over you as you break free from the chains of constant thinking and simply exist in the moment. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or just taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can have profound benefits. Mindfulness, a simple tool for a more balanced life. Have you considered where you want to be professionally by the end of 2024? Setting clear and achievable career goals is crucial for personal and professional growth. It's about more than just getting a promotion or a raise. It's about developing yourself, expanding your skill set, and pushing your boundaries. Think about what you want to accomplish in your professional life this year. Maybe you want to learn a new aspect of your field, or perhaps you're considering a change in your career path altogether. These goals can guide your decisions and actions throughout the year. Remember, it's essential to strive for progress, not perfection. It's about becoming a better version of yourself, not comparing yourself to others. And most importantly, don't be afraid of seeking new opportunities. They may be out of your comfort zone, but they can lead to growth and success. Your career is your journey. Make sure you're driving. How much time and effort do you invest in your relationships? The answer to this question can significantly impact your overall happiness and well-being. Nurturing positive relationships with family, friends, and colleagues isn't just about feeling good, it's about building a strong support network that you can lean on in times of need. Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships. It's not just about expressing your thoughts and feelings, but also about actively listening to what the other person has to say. Remember, it's not a monologue. It's a dialogue. Spending quality time with your loved ones is priceless. It's about sharing experiences, creating memories, and strengthening bonds. It's not about the quantity of time you spend together, but about the quality. It's time to shift focus from me to we. Invest in your relationships. They're not a liability, but an asset, a treasure. Remember, relationships are investments that yield rich dividends. Have you ever wished for better control over your finances? Well, it's time to take the bull by its horns. Financial planning is not just about budgeting, it's about creating a roadmap to your financial freedom. It's about understanding where every penny goes, so you can make more informed decisions. Think of your finances as a garden. Budgeting is like watering and pruning your plants, ensuring they grow healthy and strong. Saving is like planting seeds for future growth. And financial planning, that's the master plan for your garden. It's about envisioning the future you want and paving the path to get there. Now, increasing your financial literacy is akin to learning the language of your garden. It helps you understand the market trends, the investment opportunities, and the potential risks. And investing, that's the fertilizer that can help your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, financial freedom isn't a dream. It's a well-planned journey. Do you ever feel chained to your screens? In this digital age, it's easy to lose ourselves in the endless scroll of social media, news, and entertainment. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt our sleep patterns, while excessive screen time can lead to eye strain, headaches, and even affect our mental health. But it's not just about the physical toll. It's about the missed opportunities for real human connections and the joy of being fully present in the world around us. So, how about allocating more time for face-to-face interactions? Or perhaps engaging in outdoor activities that get your heart pumping and your spirit soaring? And don't forget about those screen-free hobbies that ignite your passions and stimulate your creativity. Remember, it's about balance and making conscious choices to unplug, unwind, and untether ourselves from our digital devices. After all, life is happening around you, not on your screen. When was the last time you did something for someone without expecting anything in return? Ponder on that for a moment. Lending a hand, offering a smile, or spending time with those who need it most. These acts of kindness don't just benefit others. They enrich our own lives too. In this upcoming year, why not make a resolution to contribute to your community or a cause that stirs your passion? Volunteering isn't just about giving. It's about connecting, learning, and growing. It provides us with a sense of purpose and fulfillment that's hard to find elsewhere. You see, when we step out of our comfort zones to help others, we're also helping ourselves. We're gaining perspective, developing empathy, and cultivating gratitude. And these are precious life skills that aren't taught but experienced, so go ahead, volunteer, give back, make a difference, because remember, in giving we receive. Have you ever considered the power of a positive mindset? It's more than just a sunny disposition. It's a perspective, a way of life that can fundamentally change your experiences. Positivity is not about ignoring the negative. Rather, it's about acknowledging the challenges and choosing to focus on the good, the potential, the opportunities that lie ahead. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to positivity. It allows you to appreciate the good in your life, cultivating a sense of contentment and satisfaction. It's about recognizing the abundance, not the lack. Then there's self-love and self-compassion. These are not acts of vanity, but rather, they are acknowledgments of your worth, your value. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, those who inspire you, motivate you, and believe in you. Remember, positivity is a choice. Choose to shine.